students, now we are going to discuss with the architecture of 8085 microprocessor. This figure shows the schematic diagram of 8085 microprocessor architecture. This figure consists of interrupt control block, serial input and output control block, accumulator, temporary resistors, 8-bit internal data bus, flags block, arithmetic and logical unit block, instruction register block, instruction decoder and machine cycle encoding block, resistor array, timing and control block. Now we discuss with the arithmetic and logical unit block. The arithmetic and logical unit performs the computing operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplications, divisions and logical operations and so on. The ALU unit consists of accumulator, temporary resistors, flags and arithmetic and logical unit circuits. Now we discuss with the various types of flags in 8085 microprocessor. First one is sign flag, next one is zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, carry flag. The first one is sign flag. After the execution of an arithmetic or logical operation, if the bit D7 of the result is 1, the sign flag is set. This flag is used with signed numbers in a given byte. If D7 bit is 1, the number is negative numbers, or otherwise if it is 0, the number will be considered as a positive number. Next one is zero flag. The zero flag is set if the arithmetic and logical operations result in 0, and the flag is reset if the result is non-zero. Next one is auxiliary carry flag. In an arithmetic operations, when a carry is generated by digit 3 and passed on to the digit 4, the auxiliary carry flag is set. The flag is used only for BCD operation. Next one is parity flag. After an execution of arithmetic or logical operations, if the result have even numbers of ones, the flag is set. Otherwise, if it has an and numbers of 1, the flag is reset. The last one is carry flag. If an arithmetic operation, the result in a carry, the carry flag is set. Otherwise, it is reset. The carry flag is also used for the subtraction by the borrow flag. The auxiliary carry flag is used for only for BCD operation Among these 4 flags, that is sign flag, zero flag, parity flag and carry flag, the zero flag and carry flags are most commonly used in the ALU performance. Now move on to the timing and control unit. This timing and control unit synchronize all the microprocessor operations with clock and generate the control signals for necessary operations between the microprocessor and peripheral devices. The read and write signals are synchronous pulses indicating the availability of the data and the data bus. Next one is instruction register. The instruction registers and the decoders are the part of the ALU. When an instruction is fetched from the memory, it is loaded in the instruction register. The decoder decodes the instruction and establishes the sequence of the events to follow. The instruction register is not programmable and cannot be accessed through any instructions. Next one is a register array. 2 additional registers are called temporary registers, that is W and Z, are included in the register array. These registers are used to hold data during the execution of some instructions. Thank you.